20 years ago today, I started Matt Baier Organizing. And from the very beginning, my tagline has been, if it's space you desire, call Matt Baier. And I wanted to form a team to deliver team clutter relief fast. Because I believe momentum makes magic. I also believe that it's our job to make space, not judgments. So you can always count on working with a friendly, compassionate team. So I want to take this opportunity to thank all of our wonderful clients over the years for your business, your kind words, and your support. Your Google reviews reflect our team efficiency and compassion. And of course, I want to thank my wonderful team for making it all possible. You guys rock. Finally, I want to thank all my followers on the Matt Baier Organizing YouTube channel. Keep those great comments, questions, and suggestions coming. Thank you all, and happy organizing.